What's up guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can enable iOS style amazing dap effect clock on your lock screen on your Samsung phones with amazing wallpapers. So without further delay, let me show you how you can enable it, and it's completely free. Okay, before applying that amazing dap effect clocks, we have to do one thing which is very important. So lock your phone. So basically we have to disable this current lock clock. Okay, so how we can do it? So lock your phone. After that, press a few seconds. Okay, tap on then obviously you can enter your fingerprint. Then you will see this kind of screen. Then again tap on this clock. You will see this kind of interface. Then slide over here. You will see this color. Okay, so first you can resize it, make it very smaller. Then again select this color. Then over here from bring from to 0. Okay, sorry for my English. Then click on done. Then you can move this here or there. You can see it's completely disappeared because we have make it transparent. Okay, so do like this and click on done. So you can see the current lock has been disappeared. So this is very important. Okay, so you have to download this app. Link will be on the description. So you will find lot of amazing wallpapers with dap effect clocks over here. Some are paired, but there are a lot of free one also. So let me apply one. Which one should I apply? Okay, let me apply this one. Just tap on once and it will start downloading. After downloading is finished, just tap on set wallpaper, then select lock screen. It's done. Now let me go to home screen, and if I lock my phone, you can see it has been applied. And it looks so amazing, guys. You can see it. And obviously there are lots of wallpaper with amazing clock style. You can see you can download each and apply one by one. So guys, this is how you can apply iOS style dap effect clock on your lock screen on your Samsung phones. If this video was helpful, please give a like and subscribe if you have a Samsung phone. I will be uploading more this kind of videos in future. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Have a great day. Bye. Take care.